Hello, I would like to demonstrate a tune, SQL, with the Setrowcount option. For example, if I've a SQL statement here, this SQL statement takes around 4 seconds to complete, and the number of records is around 16,000. Return from the database. If I add Setrowcount1 for this SQL statement, to limit the number of rows returned from the database. For example, I set number Rowcount1 to the SQL, which means that I want the first record returned from the SQL, without the total 16,000 records returned from the database. Let me execute it with set Rowcount option here. You can see after I set the set Rowcount function option, I limited the number of records returned with 1 record only. The SQL elapsed time is still 4.5 seconds. It is not reasonable. It should be running faster than that of total 16,000 records return. So how can we tune this SQL statement with Setrowcount? It's not many product in the market can do this kind of SQL tuning. Now I set the Setrowcount1 option first. And then I press Tune button here. Use the default setting. And press OK. Here are the SQL alternatives generated by our AI engine. After apply hints to the original SQL statement, now we got almost 60 distinguished query plan return from our engine. The benchmark process is started. Let's wait and see, under the Setrowcount1 condition, how our engine helps to improve this SQL statement. Now the benchmark process is going to finish. Let me see if there are anyone is best. Here is the hints one. The time to execute this SQL statement is around 0.55 seconds. It's an 86% improvement already. Let's take a look on this SQL statement with the execution plan compared with the original SQL statement. You can see that the SQL statement is the same as the original SQL statement, except there is an option loop join added. It means that the engine tried to add a loop join hints to tell SQL Server to use loop join query plan. It is much better for the first record returned from the database. There are not many products can tune the Setrowcount SQL statements in the market. Thank you for watching our demonstration. Thanks.